Is this the best sofa cum bed that you can buy under 10,000 rupees on Amazon? Let's find out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am doing a real world review of the Uberlyfe 2-seater sofa cum bed available on Amazon. Now I've been using this since 2021. That's almost 4 years of daily use. If you're looking for a space saver sofa, this could just be the one for you. Let's find out whether it is actually worth your money. Honestly, this has been an excellent product for us. We have spent so many movie and Netflix nights on this sofa. Usually, we just keep it in the bed mode, and sometimes we do open the lounge mode as well. So, for the price, it's firm, it's cozy, and it fits two people comfortably. So this is a 4 feet by 6 feet model in dark grey. The jute finish fabric still looks great after so many years of daily use. It sits at a height of 15 inches, so it feels like a very comfortable piece of furniture. You get these two zigzag cushions, which have been holding their shape after all these years of heavy use. They definitely do add a nice touch of contrast to the sofa. Little lost man ride. Since I've been using this since 2021, I've noticed two small issues. They're not deal breakers by any means, but they are worth pointing out. First, you see there's a dip over here. That happens because you sit at the same spot over and over again. That can happen to any furniture, so after some time I think the dip even reduces a little bit. Yeah, it's definitely there. Second, when you unfold it, you see these gaps. These are the joints where foam sections meet. Now, do these gaps hurt? Not at all. It's nothing that you can't get used to. Once you've settled in for a movie, you won't even notice these things. For the price and convenience, I think this is a 10 on 10 win. If you want this for your home, check out the Amazon link in the description. Buying through this link helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. If you enjoyed watching this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel and share it with a person who is looking for a sofa cum bed on a budget. I'm bringing you daily gadgets, cool home deals and outdoor tech, which are affordable and sometimes maybe not so affordable. I will always give you the product links so that finding these deals makes it easy for you.